Do you know that for YouTube to recommend your video and for YouTube to suggest your video are two different things? Yes, recommending a video is automatically done by YouTube, but for YouTube to suggest your video is something you yourself are in control of. Now you might wonder, how am I in control of YouTube suggesting my video? That's because there are some necessary settings, or let me just say it's not a settings kind of, but then there are some things that you overlook while uploading your video or after uploading your video that will make YouTube to push your content, that will make YouTube to suggest your videos to your viewers. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolakwa. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're an old viewer, thank you for always coming back. So that being said, let's get right into the video. I wonder when young upcoming content creators says YouTube doesn't like them, YouTube doesn't push their video. Now, I will ask you, if you complain like that to me, I will ask you, what are the things you're doing to your channel? There are three main settings that will make that will make YouTube to suggest your videos. You remember I said earlier that you are in control of how YouTube can suggest your videos to your viewers and to every other viewers out there. You are in control of it. So now if I ask you, are you doing these three things? So in today's video, I'll be teaching you things that you need to do. It's already there by YouTube. All you have to do is just to make use of it. And many of you don't know how to make use of it. And that's why I am here and I'm going to put you through. Now, the number one settings that you need to fix, there are just three settings. It's just three settings. And the number one settings you need to fix right now is your end screen. Guys, you guys are sleeping on this. By the time I teach you how to do this end screen of a thing, please implement it on your channel and you see the difference, because YouTube will start suggesting your videos after a particular video. YouTube will suggest another video to your viewers, and that will make you retain your viewers, and that will make you get more watch hours and also subscribers. So I'm going to do a screen record on how you can do this step by step. All you have to do is just to watch from the beginning to the end. Do not skip any part of the video because you might miss a lot. So that being said, let me take you through the screen recording. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using an old video that I've uploaded before. So I'll just click on this pencil icon. All right, after clicking on the pencil icon, you scroll down. Okay, you see by this side, you see subtitles, you see end screen, you see cards. So you click on end screen. So this is what my end screen is looking like. Now this video already has an end screen. As you can see, this video has already has an end screen. So for you, if you don't have an end screen, I think all my video on this channel has end screen. All you have to do is just to click on element. All right, for your end screen, you can add your video, you can add playlist, you can add subscribe channel and link. So for videos, you can click on the video. I already have you already, so I won't be doing this. So you can choose yourself. It's either you allow YouTube to choose, or you choose a specific video you want to use for your end screen. So for the sake of this video, I'll be deleting this because I don't want it. Let me delete it. So my element will still be subscribe. Okay, it's there. So this is how you add end screen to your video. So whatever it is you are doing, please always remember to save it. All right, please remember that I didn't do any changes here. I only showed you how you can add end screen to your video. So, and if you are the one, immediately you finish watching this video, please go to that particular video you want to add end screen to, and after you have added your end screen, make sure you click on this save button and you are done. So guys, the number two settings I will need you to fix is playlist. Now if I ask you how many playlists do you have on your channel and how do you use your playlist? Now you might want to know what playlist is. I'm going to be showing you a screen record playlist is. Alright. So playlist is a combination of different videos. All right. Playlist is a combination of different videos that you can put in one place. So by the time you are recommending people your video, you can also recommend them your playlist. That is, they can watch all of your videos in a particular playlist. I mean in one playlist. Yes, that's what playlist. So I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist, how you can add videos to your playlist. Now you might want to ask, what is the importance of this playlist? After playlist make YouTube to suggest other videos that you have on your channel to your viewers. And this is okay, for example, after you finish watching my video, you will see that the YouTube algorithm will suggest another set of video for you to watch. That's what playlist is all about, and that is why I said you are in control of YouTube suggesting your videos to other viewers. You are in control of YouTube suggesting your videos to other viewers. So I'm going to be taking you through a short screen record on how you can create playlists and add videos to your playlist. So guys, to create your playlist from scratch, I need to just upload a random video just to show you. So while you're uploading, you see a section title, description, thumbnail, then you see playlist. So under this playlist, you click on select. You click this drop down button. Okay, so I already have a playlist on my channel, but for the sake of this video, because I want to teach you how you can create your own playlist from the ground from scratch, you click on this create new playlist, this new playlist. You click on it. I don't know what's going on. This thing is taking, is it my phone screen also? So you click on this new create, then whatever title you want to name it. Let me just name this on YouTube. I'm done. So this will be the title of my playlist. Then I will advise that whatever you're naming your YouTube should add, whatever you're naming your YouTube playlist should have a keyword in it. Then you write a very well detailed description too using keywords. Then you create. All right. So anytime you want to upload video, you just click on that click down button. If that video is under the category of YouTube, or this video, you just click on under the category you want it to be. Then you click on done. The video has been added to a playlist. So this is how you create your playlist from scratch. All right, and please, while you're uploading, always add your videos to playlist. Now the last settings I would like you to make use of is cards, adding cards to your video. Now if you notice that by the time you are watching this video, by the time you are watching my video, you can see some of my previous videos popping up your screen. That is adding cards, and that is another way you can promote videos on your channel. All right, this is another way you can promote videos on your channel. And you doing this, YouTube will always suggest your videos to your next video. Or how do I put it? YouTube will always suggest your video to the next one after your viewers have finished watching this one. I don't know how do I explain this in a very simple language. YouTube will always suggest your video. Immediately a viewer watched your video, they will suggest another video from your playlist or from your channel to your viewers. And that is because you are making use of these three settings properly. You are making use of it and you are optimizing it very well for the next pop-ups or next suggested video. With that being said, I'm going to show you another screen record, because there's no way I can explain this with my mouth. I'm going to show you another screen record on how you can add cards to your videos. So guys, to add card to your video, I'll still come back here. Click on that pencil icon, that edit icon, sorry. After you click on it, you scroll down till you see this place, the section where the screen is. So you click on cards. All right, so I'll be clicking on that to add card to your videos. Now remember that I told you that adding card to your video promotes
other videos on your channel. So I think for this particular video I only use my playlist card. So for your cards, you have option of adding video, you have option of adding playlist, you have option of adding channel, and you can also add link. I think I'm not eligible to add link because I have just 6 subscribers. So for you to add your video, right, you click on the video, then you choose the specific video you want to add your own screen. Oh, I'm coming, please. Okay, I think I've added though. I think I have added my cards already. I have added playlist, I have added videos. So you can see I've added 2 videos and 1 playlist. So I've added my already. So I don't think I need to add more. So whenever it is you want to add your card, you always come to this section, all right? Then you choose the kind of card you want to add. So for the sake of this video, if you can see what I did here, don't know why it's loading like this one. If you can see what I did here at the beginning of this video, there's a card added. Then all you have to do is just to shift it to the particular place you want it. So if you want another video here, you put it here, then you add your video. If you want another video to be here, there will be a tiny line. This is it. You can see what I'm dragging. You drag it to the place where you want another video to be. So if I want another video, I'll drag it here. I'll add another video. You can add up to 5 videos or 4 videos, 4 video cards in a particular video, depending on how long your video is. So for if I want to add, I can add, and if I want to add at the end too, I can still add. All right. So that's how you are going to do it. So always remember to save every of your changes. So I think I've made a change here, and that's why I'm having save option. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to save whatever it is I have added. So let me save. Please do not forget to save. When you're done, don't forget to save. It's so important to save. So I've saved it, and that's all for this.
There is no way you fix these three settings on your videos on your channel and your videos will not get views and will not get suggested. Please make sure that you try out this method and please get back to me. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you, which I'm very sure is going to work for you because YouTube algorithm start suggesting your videos immediately. Your viewers watch a particular video on your channel, it will suggest another video. That way you can retain your viewers and you can also get more watch hours. So thank you so much for watching my video. This will be the end of this particular video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right, please make sure you share this video so other people can benefit from it. All right, thank you so much. Till next time.